Welcome to Dab for Do. Hope you're all doing good. So now, due to lockdown, the cakes are in trend. So I've also given a try with this Rawa cake, and it has turned out really well. So let's begin. I've given the ingredients in the description below. So in a bowl, I am taking 2 cups of Rawa, which I've powdered little bit, putting it in a mixer. So after that, I'm adding powdered sugar, which is 1¼ cup. This is baking powder. It is optional. If you don't have, you can avoid it. Baking soda, which is around ¼ teaspoon, and mix all the dry ingredients slowly. After that, we will add gradually the milk. Add little by little so that we can have it mixed well, and nicely combine all the ingredients and add more if you require. Totally I've used half a glass of milk to get this consistency. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil, and to flavor it I'm adding 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence. This is not compulsory, you can avoid it. Now mix well nicely, and we have to keep it aside for around half an hour, 20 to half an hour, so that it gets puffed up, soaking all the milk which we have added to this. Meanwhile, I have soaked the almonds and I've peeled them like this, and I will slit them into half with the help of a knife, so that this can be helpful in decorating purpose. So I have food colors, wherein I am adding a pinch of all the colors which I have in small bowls, and after mixing it with water I am soaking them. I have salt with me, which I have used earlier for baking. I am putting it in an old bowl and I am placing a stand on it. Now we will open the soaked rava with the ingredients, mix well. Now I'm adding half a cup of curd to it. Again mix well, and to enhance the flavor I'm adding a pinch of salt to it, and again mix well all the ingredients. I have greased a small iron pan, so I'm pouring all the batter into it. Just give it a nice tap so that there won't be any air bubbles, and place it in the bowl which we have placed the salt on, and for half an hour to 40 minutes we have to cook it on a low flame. If it is cooked well, poke it with a wooden skewer. It is cooked well. Now I am transferring it to a plate. How beautifully and golden brown it has turned out. Now I am decorating it with the almond petals which I have made into colorful. You can use any kind of gems, chocolate chips, M&M candies, or tutti frutti as per your wish. It's turned out to be really spongy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my work.